Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. How are you today? Welcome to our English class year 1, learning disabilities. Okay, how are you today? I hope all of you are fine and good. Don't forget to smile. Okay, very good. Let's begin our class for today. Okay, for today, we will continue our topic, which is my pet. Repeat again with me, my pet. Okay, very good. Awesome. Okay, class, for today, we will focus on animal sounds. Okay, are you ready? Let's read. Animal sounds. Apa dia? Apa maksud animal sounds? Bunyi binatang. Okay. So we read first, okay? A bird chirps. A bird chirps. Burung berkicau. Macam mana burung berkicau? Chirp, 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 chirp. Again, chirp, chirp. Okay, very good. Okay, number 2. Okay, before that, this one is, we call it what? Bird. Again, how it sounds? Chirp, chirp. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this? A dog barks. A dog barks. Okay, macam mana dog barks? Woof, woof. Again, woof, woof. Here we call it dog. How dog barks? Woof, woof. Okay, very good. Okay, next, a cat meows. A cat meows. This one we call cat. Cat apa? Kucing. Macam mana kucing berbunyi? Meow, meow. Again, meow, meow. Okay. So we call it cat. How cat sounds? Meow, meow. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this? We call it what? A hamster squeaks. A hamster squeaks. Okay, squeak, squeak. Again, squeak, squeak. Okay, very good. What we call it? Yes, this one we call it hamster. Again, how it sounds? Squeak, squeak. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this? A chicken clucks. A chicken clucks. Cluck, 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 cluck. Very good, kids. What we call it? A chicken. How a chicken sounds? Cluck, cluck. Okay, very good. And lastly, a duck quacks. A duck quacks. How it quacks? Quack, 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 quack. Okay, again. Quack, quack. Okay, very good. So we call it duck. How it sounds? Quack, quack. Okay, very good. Thumbs up. Okay, again, okay? Chip, chip. Woof, woof. Meow, meow. Squeak, squeak. Cluck, cluck. Quack, quack. Okay, very good. Awesome. Amazing. Okay. After this, I want you to sound the animals. Okay. The activity is, I want you to try to sound the animals. Okay. Bird, dog, cat, hamster, chicken, and duck. Can or not? Okay, very good. That's all for today, for our lesson today. We will continue after next class, and I hope you can understand what you had learned just now. And take care and thank you. Bye bye.